Welcoming a newborn into your life is a beautiful experience, but it can also feel overwhelming, especially when it comes to breastfeeding. If you're a new mom wondering, am I doing this right? You're not alone. In this video, we'll walk you through a simple, step-by-step guide to breastfeeding your newborn, so you can feel confident, comfortable, and connected with your baby. First, find a comfortable position. Sit in a chair with good back support or lie on your side. Use pillows to support your arms and your baby. Your baby's body should face you, tummy to tummy, with their head and body in a straight line. Comfort is key because relaxed moms feed better and babies sense that calmness. Position your baby correctly. Bring your baby close to your breast, not the other way around. Support your baby's neck and shoulders gently, allowing their head to tilt slightly back. Their nose should be level with your nipple. This positioning helps your baby latch deeply and feed effectively. Now comes the most important part, the latch. Gently tickle your baby's upper lip with your nipple to encourage them to open their mouth wide. When their mouth opens wide, quickly bring them onto the breast. A good latch means more areola is visible above the baby's mouth than below. The baby's lips are flanged outward, and you feel a gentle pulling, not pain. If it hurts, gently break the latch and try again. Let your baby feed as long as they want on one breast before switching. You'll notice slow, deep sucking and swallowing sounds. That's a good sign your baby is getting milk. Newborns usually feed every 2 to 3 hours, but it's best to follow your baby's hunger cues like rooting, sucking on hands, or fussiness. Don't wait for crying, as that is a late sign of hunger. After feeding, hold your baby upright and gently pat their back to help them burp. This releases any air swallowed during feeding and keeps your baby comfortable. Some babies need frequent burping, while others may not, and that's completely normal. In the beginning, you might face challenges like sore nipples, low milk supply, or difficulty with latching. Remember, breastfeeding is a learning process for both you and your baby. If you're feeling pain or unsure, don't hesitate to seek help from a lactation consultant or healthcare provider. Most importantly, be patient with yourself. You're doing an amazing job. Breastfeeding is not just about feeding, it's about bonding, comfort, and love. With time and practice, it will become easier and more natural. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more baby care tips. Stay happy, stay healthy, and enjoy this beautiful journey of motherhood.